Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm UV Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the global NCAP safety rating of the Renault Triber Compact MPV. The Renault Triber is a sub-4 meter, 7-seater compact MPV, being one among the best sellers for Renault India. Global NCAP has finally crash tested the Renault Triber and has awarded 4-star rating for overall adult protection. Here's all the details about this crash test. The Renault Triber Compact MPV was tested for full frontal collision and the Triber has scored 11.62 points out of a possible 17 points for adult protection. The protection for the head and neck was good for both front passengers including the driver, while the chest protection was rated marginal and adequate, and the protection for the knees were rated good. Being a lightweight MPV, the body shell of the Renault Triber was rated unstable and was not capable of withstanding further loads. However, the footwell area was rated stable. In terms of child occupant protection, the Renault Triber received 3-star rating with a score of 27 out of a possible 49 points. With ISOFIX child seat mounts not available on the Renault Triber, both the forward-facing child seat and the rearward-facing child seat were fastened using the 3-point seat belts. Hence, the protection provided to the forward-facing child was rated average for the chest and low for the head protection. The rearward-facing child seat was unaffected, providing full protection for the 18-month-old child test dummy. The variant selected for this global NCAP crash test was the Renault Triber RXL, which is the second-level variant of the Renault Triber range. All variants of the Renault Triber come as standard with dual airbags, ABS with EBD and pre-tensioner-equipped seat belts. However, it is only the top-spec RXZ variant which gets side airbags, making it a total of 4 airbags. It is a great achievement that a budget-focused, low-cost 7-seat MPV has performed extremely well in the crash tests, better than some expensive cars from prominent manufacturers in India. Going forward, global NCAP tests are set to get tougher, and from 2022 itself, Electronic Stability Control Test will also join the organization's test protocols. Coming to the end of the story, if you are in the market for a budget-based family car which can provide great levels of space, flexibility and value while also keeping you safe in the event of a crash, then the Renault Triber is a car which can be up your list. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this global NCAP crash rating of the Renault Triber. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.